Travis Kelce's 35th birthday celebration is set to be a star-studded event, with rumors swirling that Taylor Swift may join him at his annual charity car show in Kansas City. As the Chiefs star gears up for the event, fans are eager to see if the pop sensation will make an appearance to celebrate alongside him. As Travis Kelce marks his 35th birthday, his annual Kelce Car Jam charity event promises to be an exciting affair, raising funds for his 87 and Running Foundation, which supports underprivileged youth in Kansas City and Cleveland. The event, held in the heart of Kansas City, brings together the city's most impressive automobiles and loyal fans, all rallying behind the football star for a good cause. Kelce's brother, Jason, confirmed his attendance on their New Heights podcast, hinting that there's a good chance Taylor Swift, Kelce's high-profile girlfriend, could also join in the festivities. Swift, who has been a notable presence in Kelce's life, has missed his last 2 games but remains a source of unwavering support. Earlier reports hinted that she was planning to attend the car show, adding even more excitement to the charity event. As Kelce gears up to show off his 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle, a car he once famously drove Swift around Kansas City in, the possibility of her presence will undoubtedly spark a media frenzy. The couple's growing public appearances, from football games to romantic outings, have fueled speculation about their relationship's serious nature, and this event may offer fans another glimpse of their connection. Kelce, whose start to the season has been rocky, showed signs of regaining his form during a recent win over the Los Angeles Chargers. Despite his struggles, he continues to make time for his foundation, expressing his deep gratitude for the unwavering support of Kansas City residents. "They show up every single time," Kelce said, highlighting the bond he shares with his community. His commitment to giving back remains at the forefront of his efforts, and this event will not only celebrate his birthday but also continue his mission of helping local youth thrive. Adding to the festivities, Kelce's mother, Donna, will also be in attendance, further cementing the family aspect of the celebration. Meanwhile, his brother Jason will take on a new role during the Chiefs' upcoming Monday Night Football game against the New Orleans Saints, marking his first time calling a game featuring his younger brother. This will be a particularly special occasion for the Kelce brothers, as Jason looks forward to spending Travis's birthday with him, a rare opportunity during the busy NFL season. As Travis Kelce gears up for a night of celebration, charity, and community spirit, all eyes are on whether Taylor Swift will join him for his 35th birthday. With the event promising to be a highlight of the Kansas City social calendar, fans are excited to see this power couple continue to make headlines. Whether Swift attends or not, Kelce's dedication to both his foundation and his loved ones remains at the heart of this festive occasion.